all, and maybe we can motivate each other to give some extra time to our passion and create something beautiful